Hi everyone, my name's Ian and welcome to this short video overview of the VSGO Hurricane Blower. I just purchased it and it arrived yesterday. I need an air blower because I'm going to clean the sensor of my DSLR camera and I want something to be able to blow the loose dust out before I start to clean the sensor itself. So this is the one that I've gone for. There are several on the market. Some of them are an awful lot cheaper than this one. I've gone for this for a few reasons and I'm going to try and talk you through it. So let's unpack this and see what it's like. Oh, all comes out in one piece. That's good. Nice piece of packaging. Yeah, it's got a suction base, so it's stuck under the bottom of there. Okay, I'll take the packaging off here, put that on one side, screw the nozzle back on. So there we are. This is what we have, Hurricane Air Blower. It's got a small suction cup on the base, which it stands up nicely. That just holds it, even though this is on a piece of paper. If I put it on a glossy surface, you can see it's got proper suction on it, but on paper it just stands up nicely. But when I put that on the shelf in the cupboard, that's going to be okay. That's not going to be rolling around in with the other pieces of equipment there. So, first impressions, it feels beautiful. It's lovely and tactile. Fits nicely into the hand. It's soft. It's smooth. It responds quickly. That's nice. And it's got a very flexible silicone nozzle. If you do touch anything inside the camera, you have less chance of doing any damage. I think that's the idea behind that. The other great feature that I like about this is it filters the air. A small filter fits inside here. You screw the nozzle back on and then that will clean the air as it goes inside so that anything that's blown out is dust free. Little box. Inside the box I know there is a spare nozzle, so I'm assuming that it's in here. There's a little bag. Inside the bag, yeah, inside the bag we have spare nozzle. Again, it's got a silicone tip. Not sure why we need a shorter nozzle. Certainly need the long nozzle to be able to get inside the camera. And we have 5 filters. Take them out of the packet. They're all sealed, so they're all going to stay nice and clean. Pop it in there when you're ready to use it. And they also give you a lens cleaning cloth as well. So, all in all, a nice piece of kit. I've got no problems with that at all. The reason that I went for silicone rather than a cheaper rubber air blower is because silicone won't perish. So if there was any deterioration of the material inside a blower, you don't want to be blowing it out. And silicone, as we know, won't perish. So that should be good for quite some time to come. That's what I'm expecting anyway. It's not a review of how it works because all it is an air blower. It does what it's supposed to do, but it seems to do it very well. So there you go. Hopefully it's helped somebody. If it's helped you and you like it, thumbs up. The next video will be cleaning the sensor inside the camera, so maybe we'll have a look at that next time. I'll be using the Dust Patrol 8-piece sensor cleaning kit. So let's see how that goes. Okay, hope you've enjoyed it.